Get your wellies on, get your wellies on. Get your wellies on, get your wellies on. I think we've got it. Yeah, let's go get ready to dance.
It is a boot called after Wellington. That guy, he was a duke. He put his wellies on, but they weren't waterproof, so his feet sometimes got wet. And now they're made of rubber, so wet feet you can't forget. Get your wellies on, get your wellies on. When it's mucky, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. When it's rainy, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. At a party, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. Rubber's great for lots of things, it's stretchy and you know it. It never lets the water in, that's cause it's hydrophobic. What? Hydrophobic, yeah. Super hydrophobic. What? Hydrophobic, yeah. Super hydrophobic. Oh! Get your wellies on, get your wellies on. When it's mucky, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. When it's rainy, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. At a party, get your wellies on, get your wellies on. If you got a problem, here's our intention. We are gonna solve it with an invention.
Tell me who's got the moves. The body runners, the body runners. Just look at what they can do. The body runners, the body runners. Tell me who's got the moves. The body runners, the body runners. Just look at what they can do. The body runners, the body runners.
See ya later next time on 1, 2.